Hi guys, Jeremy here. So Intuit decided to stop selling QuickBooks Pro and Premier just like that. And if you're a long-time desktop user, you might be feeling frustrated or unsure about what to do next. Should you switch to QuickBooks Online? Is Enterprise really worth the money? I'm going to explain everything clearly in this video, including some better alternatives. So let's start with what changed. So QuickBooks Pro and Premier were discontinued. That's right, Intuit officially stopped selling new subscriptions for both products in 2023. And by September 2024, they stopped accepting new customers entirely. Now, if you're an existing customer, you can still renew your subscription for now, but it's clear that support won't last forever. Now, these were the two most popular desktop products for small businesses, so understandably, a lot of users felt caught off guard. Now, what's still available? Only QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise. But here's the thing. Enterprise is built for large companies. It's expensive, it's complicated, and honestly, more than most businesses will ever need. So if you've been using Pro or Premier, you're basically left with two choices. Switch to QuickBooks Online or move to a different platform entirely. Next up, let's talk pricing, because this is where a lot of people are getting frustrated. So QuickBooks Online offers four main plans. Simple Start at $35 a month, Essentials at $65, Plus at $99, and Advanced at $235. On top of that, they have a new plan called Solopreneur for $20 a month. And if you scroll further down the pricing page, there's even a free plan called Money. Now, this plan lets you sign up without paying anything. Now, compare that to Desktop Enterprise. There's no monthly plan. It's annual only, and the pricing starts at around $2,210 per year, and it goes up fast to $2,717 if you add features. For larger teams, you could be paying over $5,000 a year, and don't forget the hidden cost. QuickBooks has raised prices nearly every year. Since 2014, most online plans have seen regular increases of $5 to $10 annually, and last year alone, subscription prices for Desktop Pro and Premier jumped by over 50%. So even if you stay with the same product, your cost is almost guaranteed to go up. So now you might be wondering, if you're going to pay more, what exactly are you getting? Well, let's break down the key differences between QuickBooks Online and Desktop. So first off, QuickBooks Online is built for cloud use. You can access it from any device, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Now that's a big plus for remote teams or people who work from multiple locations. It also includes features like automatic backups, regular updates, and integrations with apps like Shopify, PayPal, and Stripe. But if you are used to Desktop Enterprise, you'll notice some missing features. For example, Pro allows you to track sales orders before creating invoices. That feature doesn't exist in QuickBooks Online. You can use estimates, but it's not a complete workflow replacement. Also, inventory tracking in Online is much more basic. If you want anything close to what Enterprise offered, like support for assembly items or detailed inventory reports, you'll need to be on the Plus or Advanced plan, and even then, it's still limited. Another big change is industry-specific tools. Desktop Enterprise offered tailored features for contractors, nonprofits, retailers, and more. Now, these industry editions are completely gone in QuickBooks Online. So if you relied on custom reporting or workflows in Desktop, you're going to need to find a workaround or use third-party apps. Now, some people consider upgrading to Enterprise because it has more features and the interface feels familiar. But for most small businesses, we don't recommend that. Enterprise comes with advanced tools like multi-location inventory, advanced pricing, and custom user roles. But if you don't actually need those things, you're just paying for stuff that you'll never use. Plus, the interface is still desktop-based unless you add a hosting layer, which again costs extra. So what should you do if you're using Pro or Premier and you don't want to move to Online or jump into Enterprise? You might want to look at some alternatives. One option I recommend checking out is Custom Books. Now, it's a cloud-based accounting platform that offers affordable pricing with unlimited users. You get all the core accounting features that you need, including true double-entry bookkeeping, strong reporting, and scalable tools as your business grows. Unlike QuickBooks Online, there's no constant upselling and the pricing stays predictable. And that's just one example. Now, there are other great examples out there like Xero, Zoho Books, and Wave, depending on what features matter most to you. Now, some of these are better for freelancers or service-based businesses, while others are great for product-based businesses with inventory. The key is finding something that fits your workflow, not just what Intuit is pushing. To wrap it all up, here's the reality. QuickBooks is moving away from desktop products. QuickBooks Online might seem like the natural choice, but it's not a perfect replacement. You lose features, prices keep rising, and some users end up frustrated by the limitations. Enterprise, on the other hand, it might look appealing on paper, but the cost and complexity are too high for most small teams. So if you're feeling stuck, you're not alone. Now is the time to start looking for your options, and you don't have to figure it out alone. Let me know in the comments. Are you still using QuickBooks Desktop, or have you made the switch already? And if so, how's it going? I'd love to hear what worked and what didn't. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more software comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.